Hello guys, today I've got XIAOMI Sound Play speaker and I'm going to show you why your speaker is so quiet, some fixes, solutions, etc. The first reason is that your speaker may be just discharged. My speaker, when it was at 10% or 20%, behaved very badly. Like, it was just very quiet, it lagged, it dropped the connection. So you need to plug it into the power, like with the power cable, and plug it right here. We've got the charging port for a couple of minutes, like for example 30 or 40, and check if it works. As you can see here, we've got a LED indicator. It should be pulsing if it works. So that's the first thing. The second thing is, of course, the player in your phone, and of course maybe your phone, but let's start with the player. Try switching to a different application. Like if you are using Spotify, try playing some music on YouTube. If you are using YouTube, try using Spotify, or maybe Apple Music or Tidal or any other applications like SoundCloud. There are many of them, and just try. It may be the issue. If it's not the issue, you need to go even further. When, as I said, your phone may be the issue, try connecting your speaker to a different device. It doesn't have to be a phone. It can be a laptop, it can be a TV, everything that just supports Bluetooth output audio. That should be it when it comes to the fixes, because when it's good on other device, your phone is at fault. When it's bad and it's still that quiet, your speaker is at fault and we need to do something with it. But I think that I didn't finish the issue with the application. If your application that you were using is the problem, you need to try updating it to the latest version, or reporting a bug to the developers, or reinstall it. So now let's go back to the topic. If your speaker is at the issue, is at fault, you need to perform a factory reset. How to do that? Find the pause and play buttons right here and keep holding them both for 5 seconds till you see that your speaker turns off, like this. This is the factory reset, and this should make your speaker working properly. If it doesn't, you need to contact device support because your device may be just broken. That's it. Goodbye.